Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. As you can see here, I have a big box. I'm going to be unboxing my new NFS2-640 fire alarm panel. Now obviously it's going to be missing a few parts. It doesn't have an enclosure, door, or keypad, but I got this for a really good deal. So let's go ahead and open it up. The box is kind of messed up, but hopefully it's okay. And there it is. You can see something is burnt on it, which isn't good, and it looks like it's just the fuse. The fuse is completely missing, and there's a big char mark right where it's supposed to be. So as you can see, there is a slight char mark where the fuse used to be. I'll have to look into that. Hopefully I can just solder a jumper there, replace it with a new fuse. Hopefully it's not actually dead, but I'll have to look into that. So yeah, this is a NFS2-640. It has all of its screw terminals and everything, so I'll have to get it powered up. So yeah, that's about it for this video. Hope you enjoyed, and I will make another video if I get it working.